Hello again, Mrs Hampshaw here again, and this lesson we're going to look at scaling, copying and pasting. So in this project you'll learn how to drag, scale and copy and paste shapes onto your work plane. We're going to start with a blank work plane for this project, so here we go. So click next. And as you can see, we've got one of our hints here, so we're going to take a orange cylinder and we're going to drag it into position, aligning it up there, and then we're going to continue to the next step. Okay, we're going to repeat that process again by dragging another orange cylinder onto the work plane in the next area outlined in orange. I'm going to drag that and we're going to drop that there. Okay, and we're going to continue on to the next step. Now, this time, what we've got to do is we need to change the size of our product. Okay, so we need to drag on the white dot at the top of the shape, and we're going to drag that down until it measures 15 millimeters. You can see you've got your faint orange outline in there, but we can see the measurement on there. It does now say 15 millimeters, so we're going to leave it there. And we're going to continue on to the next step. Then we're going to copy the cylinder. So we're going to select this central one and we're going to press Ctrl and C on our keypad, or we can click copy up at the top here. That should have made a copy of our shape. And then we're going to click paste or Ctrl and V on our keypad, and that's going to get pasted into position. We're then going to move that shape into the correct spot and continue on to the next step. We're then going to click and drag the white dot again on the top of that shape, and we're going to make it 10 millimeters tall. So we're going to take it down until it measures 10 millimeters, and it's telling us that on the screen. Okay, and that's it. That's that lesson completed. So we're going to click done and we're going to continue. So this time we're going to have a go at making a little keyring. Now the keyring that you'll see on screen, it does spell out the name Katie. There's no reason once you've had a go that you can't reset it and have a go. Click next, and we're going to start by dragging the letters to the red base. Now you can see mine's not gone how it should be there, so I'm just going to work through this and I'm just going to reset it again just to see if it will work again this time. Not sure why it did that. There we go. So this time we've got all of the letters on screen here. So we're going to use our skills that we've already got, and we're going to start by dragging the letters onto the red base. Now, if you're making your own, you might not want to drag the letters, you might actually want to copy and paste them. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to click on the K and I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it, and then I can drag that letter K and pop it into position just there. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see a bit better. And then I want an A, so again I'm going to make a copy of that. I'm going to paste it, and then I'm going to drag that one and paste that into position like so. And a T, copy, paste and drag into position. An I, copy, paste and drag. Oh, hang on a minute. So I've just done that slightly wrong. Be careful when you're dragging it because sometimes it resizes. Drag that into position, and then lastly, letter E, copy, paste, and drag into position. Okay. Then we're going to click next, and then we're going to select the actual base, and we're going to use this little black dot here in the middle, and we're just going to drag that in to there, to that point. And I'm just going to use the arrows on my keypad just to try and align it a little bit closer. I think I'm happy with that, so I'm going to click. For some reason it's not moved the whole thing. We're going to click next anyway and see what happens. And it should look like this on your screen. So we'll click next and we'll see if it refreshes. Okay. So you can see there it's not dragged in for whatever reason, this bottom part of the base here. Okay, we can always try refreshing our screen, see if it works, but sometimes it doesn't work straight away. But like we said before, we can always reset and we can always have a go if it doesn't go right the first time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.